Hi, I'm Craig O'Neal with FLIR. I'm here to talk to you about the updated graphical user interface offered on the latest T-Series thermal imaging cameras. The GUI is one of the important improvements for this line of cameras. You'll find these cameras have faster screen interaction, and the touchscreen offers drop-down menus and menus that are easy to navigate. The camera really reacts like an everyday smartphone. It's intuitive and easy to learn. One of the best design upgrades is the folder structure. So I want to show you how to create a new folder. First, press the playback button. It's at the top of your camera. Tap the plus icon. The keyboard will appear on the screen, and you'll see a similar keyboard when adding notes and text comments to your image. Type the name of your folder and tap Done. The new folder you create will be automatically designated the active folder. All new files will be saved there. You can choose a different active folder from the playback button. You can also rename the folders from this screen. To find out more about the latest features of the FLIR T-Series thermal imaging cameras, visit FLIR.com.